Another day, another dollar, men. Now we have an LG gas dryer. Customer complaint is it's not heating. We're gonna get on that, get a diagnostic, show you some of that. Get out and get it.
Get out and get it. Yeah, that's what she said. It wasn't heating, it's just blowing cool air.
So it really isn't heating up, huh?
No, I still think it might just be air, but it stops trying to pull gas if it doesn't ignite. So it's not like running it will pull the air out. You have to start, stop, start, stop.
There's a lot of condensation and moisture inside of here. Okay, so we finished that diagnostic for that LG gas dryer. What'd you find there, Jake?
It had a bad heating element, which that's not too uncommon, but the original symptom, the lady had 2 gas dryers that weren't working. They were both working at the same time. They both failed. They actually ran out of gas in their tank. But I guess this dryer, while they were trying to run it without gas, it kept trying to sense for the ignition, and it probably overused the heating element, and it was old and just broke in half. So needs a new heating element.
By heating element, you mean the igniter, right?
Yeah, the hot surface igniter.
Okay, cool. There you have it from the chief engineer. Now don't forget to go to GuildUSA.com. Automate your entire office system from phone call to rebooking. There's nothing else like it out there. Go to GuildUSA.com.
Get out and get it.